All right, JJ. Show us how it's done. This is what we call laundry basket sledding.
What's the soup?
Show me how to...
First, you gotta have a little Lincoln log and a big one that has
Okay.
this thing on.
They're
And then
his
you go
brakes.
like this, and then
All right, go to the top. We got a big old hill in the front yard. All right. Watch out, Diego. Get out of the line of fire. You're right in the line with your shovel.
you're not ready, and it's trying to go.
He's got his Lincoln logs. Woohoo! What do you think about that, boy?
That is the funnest thing
Oh my
to
goodness.
do in winter when it's like this with
When you don't have a
your
sled,
crazy
this is what you should be doing.
or your brother.